Original side.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention an appellate side mentioning, your Lordship?
Yes, what is that?
Lordship, I'm praying for the matter to be listed under the heading hearing, your Lordship. The urgency is that, your Lordship, the petitioners are working as the dock pilots, your Lordship. They are kept on contractual basis, your Lordship. And there was a direction passed by the Honorable Court that in the meantime, the recruitment process shall abide by the result of the writ petition. Now, on the date of hearing of the matter on 12th of November 2025, the Honorable Court directed 4 weeks' time for filing of affidavit, and thereafter 2 weeks for the petitioners to file the reply, your Lordship. Till date, they have not filed the affidavit, your Lordship. Without the affidavit being filed, the matter cannot be decided, and the recruitment process is ongoing. Lordship, I have served notice, your Lordship, for mentioning, and the order is also annexed hearing.
You have
Lordship,
already served.
respondent is served.
Milord, I am mentioning inclusion of writ matter, Milord.
Writ
Appellate
matter,
side.
which year?
22, Milord.
Appellate side.
22.
22.
Affidavit exchanged.
Yes, I saw.
Whether affidavit exchanged?
No, Milord, actually matter is infectious because, Milord, it is
Grateful, my
petition
lord.
challenge the tender notice, Milord.
So it
May I
will
per-
appear to be mentioned.
Milord, either to mention or is hearing any.
To be mentioned.
I serve notice, Milord.
Okay, to be mentioned.
May I permit
Yes.
to mention a matter?
Yes.
Not CRL matter. The matter is for correction.
Correction.
It is listed yet.
Give it. Yes, original side.
Item numbers 1, 2, and 3 is perhaps, my lord, these are all disposed of application. Perhaps it's coming at the instance of the court, my lord, because
Where
I
is
have
appearing?
mentioned the
Some report come from the registrar. Why? Why matter has been listed? What matter লিস্টে আছে আর আপনি বলছেন কথা বলবো, what কথা বলবো? His prayer I should be considered in presence of both sides. Whatever may be his report, that should be placed before this court. Whatever may be, that should be placed before this court when the matter is appearing to be mentioned. Why it is appearing then to be mentioned? Ask him to produce immediately. What is going on? I am unable to understand why the matter it was listed in to be mentioned. Then what is the report? Ask him to produce and ask him to come before this court. Immediately he asks him to come with report. Yeah, unfortunate. Yes, item number 4. Pass over. This matter should be passed over.
Yes, but item number 4, it has come at my instance, my lord. Kindly remember this
The
is
payment.
the payment. My lord, I have
Now, what is the problem? You give it
my lord,
the
may I, my lord.
bank
My
number.
lord, my lord, I am seeking, my lord, 1 week accommodation in this matter because I have found some instances where your lordship's court has been pleased to direct the sister concern or the purchaser of the agent of the shipping company to receive payment on behalf of the defendants, my lord.
How it can be?
My lord, your
How
lordship's
it
court
can
has
be?
passed this direction, my lord.
Whatever may be the payment, that should go to the respondent.
The respondent has authorized the purchaser or the agent to receive on his behalf, my lord. Your lordship's court has passed the direction.
Who has filed this case on behalf of the respondent? Who has filed the wakalatnama?
The JC with the company,
The company.
my lord.
So wakalatnama whose name appearing, he will get the money.
But
Who
that is
why
not an
other
that is not an Indian entity, my lord. That is not an Indian company, my lord.
whoever may be account number give, that will be transferred.
My lord, there will be RBI regulations and RBI clearance that will take a lot of time, my lord.
It will take,
Lord,
it is your headache. Why
Ma'am,
court will?
my lord, may I come back with that instances where your lordship's court has been pleased to direct the payment to be made to the sister concern of the Indian?
No, I have not directed such.
Lord, your lordship's
In other
several
cases.
coordinate benches have been directed. Please
So
to
place that
Lord,
order.
I will come back with that. Lord, one day accommodation I am seeking. This week's accommodation, Lord, kindly, Lord, this week accommodation.
Your Honor, may I submit? I am for the plaintiff in this matter, and even
You
Honorable.
have nothing to say. You have nothing to say.
No, I have nothing to say, but I can assist Your Honor. I can also give some judgment of Honorable High Court of Kolkata. Also, I can support their issues, Your Honor, so that an order can be passed.
You have that judgment.
I have judgment. Kindly give me a day's time. I'll share it with my opposite counsels also, so that they can.
When?
Kindly have it on 12th, Your Honor. I will be personally at Kolkata on that day.
On the request of the learned counsel appearing on behalf. All have given the names.
Lord, kindly
Okay.
direct, well, their names should not be there, my lord.
The next day I will.
But
pass
in
the-
this, today's order, my lord, kindly record that, my lord. Today's order, my lord. The name of
Who is appearing for the petitioner or plaintiff?
Mr. Bhattacharya just now appear online.
I am appearing. I am Partho
Have
Bhattacharya.
you filed the wakalatnama?
Your Honor, registry has denied to accept because of the NOC issue. Even the last time also, Your Honor, that's even I am carrying the power of attorney, which is has come from Singapore, and I can produce it on day after tomorrow. I will be at Kolkata physically on that day. Today I am at Delhi, Your Honor. So kindly accommodate for
So
me.
next day you file the
Please,
wakalatnama.
I-
Thereafter name
I'll
will
do.
be included.
I'll do so. I'll do so. I'll do so.
Wednesday. Next.
Grateful, Your Honor, deeply obliged.
Yes.
Direction was
Well, no execution made till date.
no.
Why?
And my lord, there are about, my lord, I found, my lord, about 13 objections which are being raised every day by a letter.
Whether there is a provision to raise objection at the time of
But this is only, my
final
lord, with regard to
execution.
execution of the conveyance. My lord, only with regard to execution of the conveyance.
This is not an execution. That is the direction for execution if they fail
Yes. So therefore,
by the register.
yes,
So what remains now?
the registrar has to do it.
So you have made an objection. I think some in reference cases I heard. So far as I
No, we
heard,
have not made the other side.
you have also made objection
We are moving in contempt.
regarding schedule or something else. That report has not placed before today.
No, my lord, we have responded to everything, my lord. We have agreed to everything.
So 10 or I think 10 references has been.
Objection, my lord, by them.
Why? What was the
My lord, I
reason?
kindly, my lord, look at page, my lord, 409 onwards. Kindly look at page 409. Volume 3, my lord, will find. I'll just show the nature.
So who is the contemner here?
My lord, contemners are, my lord, the India Media, my lord, and its director.
And the effective person.
Because, my lord, I'll show, my lord, interference, my lord, with the drawing up and also, my lord, execution of the convent also amounts to, my lord, interference, my lord.
Why India media will interfere with the direction of this court
That's what
until and unless that challenge or stay by higher forum?
there is no more challenge.
So registrar must have execute the deed, sale deed.
My lord,
If you have,
my lord, look at page.
and I think The agreement for sale has given the whole details of the property.
Yes.
Schedule is also there.
Yes.
So what is the difference now? What is
But-
the difficulties?
Now kindly see on page 409 first.
409.
Kindly see the nature of our interference, my lord, in this proceeding.
Yes, 409.
Yes, my lord, kindly look at 14 November 2025 and kindly see this is an application to reject the above reference. First, my lord, says our client, India Media Services. This is an application to reject the above reference. The grounds for making this application is the Honorable High Court by its order dated 20th January 2020 set a timeline for declaring and publishing the award by the end of August 2020. The mandate of the arbiter therefore ended on 31st August. Copy of the order is attached. Arbitral award, which is purported to be executed in the reference, was declared and published on 21st October, almost about 2 months outside the time limit prescribed by the Honorable High Court. And the principle of became functional of this on 1st September. Is this one of can this be a
All this, all this,
then my lord, kindly come to
all this objection can be entertained by the registrar.
cannot be. My lord, kindly now come to page 413. What is I don't know what is happening.
It is reopening of the case.
Yes. Yes.
All points has been decided by this court. An execution case also simultaneously
Yes.
decided.
Yes. My lord, kindly look at page 413.
400?
413, my lord. 413.
Yes.
Same date, my lord, 14 November. Then our client, India Media Services Private Limited. My lord, this is a further application to reject the above reference in view of the jurisdictional objection.
What objection?
Kindly see.
All points I have considered. They have also agitated these points at the time of hearing.
All has been concluded. Then, my lord, again 414. Again jurisdiction. Kindly see, my lord, I don't know how, my lord, they say.
No, what the registrar is doing.
My lord, in 414,
No, what registrar is doing.
the registrar should, my lord, ignore all these objections and not go on. Two things are there. What is first, my lord, is the registrar's.
Is there any objection from your side regarding the schedule of the property or anything else? So far as I heard, something
No, my lord, I'm
something
showing my lord
raised
their
from
objections.
your side.
I'm showing one of the objections.
You have filed any objection of this?
Have we filed any objection? We have only responded to the objection which we have. One of the two things. First, my lord, the registrar should, my lord, go ahead with the reference, and my lord, after 14 days is gone, he should now, my lord, execute.
Reference is only for identifying the property or
And the
the schedule.
Correct.
If something going to be registered, if there is any discrepancy, they will indicate that much.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, registrar cannot enter into the merits of the
I'm
case.
showing. And now, my lord, I'll show their writing letters to the registrar amounts to contempt. In obstructing, kindly now see, my lord, 414. Can they say this? The fifth
So
line.
whether any finalization of the deed made in
But today,
presence
my
of
lord, I am told, my lord, the reference has been concluded as on today.
no, but before that you have to finalize
Yes,
the
yes,
deed.
Yes, we have given that.
You have already
We
given
have
the
given
deed,
that deed to him.
and that is tally with the agreement for sale.
Yes.
There is no any discrepancies. So he will
Even
go
though-
and register. And already stamp paper has been already purchased.
No, that is all. That is not.
So who will?
Yes, finalize it. Otherwise, my lord, unless he finalize it, my lord, what will be purchased?
So already 2 months over.
Yes. And this is going on, my lord. Can you see the date? 14 November.
First of all, you finalize the deed. Thereafter, you purchase the registration stamp duty or registration fees. Fees you have to pay there according to the stamp duty.
Yes.
Then hardly he will go and register. Otherwise, how register can go and register?
My lord, unfortunately, my lord, the registrar is trying his best. But my lord, kindly look at the objection. There are 13 objections raised.
Why this objection is still pending? I do not know.
They want to delay it.
They may do their delay.
Registrar should, my lord,
No
give us,
one
my
can
lord,
restrain
copy
them.
of the draft conveys, people will not have it stamped immediately and will not execute it.
Next day we will go
You immediately finalize the deed.
Yes, well, that is Malad for the registrar.
Finalize the date, and in the meantime, you purchase your stamp duty, whatever
yes.
formalities you have to do.
Malad, I just wanted to show Malad 414. Kindly see Malad the nature of
So far as this matter has been appeared to be mentioned only for extension of time for registration from the side of registrar. But that report is not placed before me. Have you come? Yes, please come. You immediately finalize the deed, fix a date. They will purchase the stamp duty. They will help
Yes,
you.
yes.
You go and register. Either you go or you
Project today only the reference has been concluded.
you concluded.
There was as many as 13 objections
Yes.
filed by the other side lordship,
Hmm.
and they have raised several objections as well as the petition has been filed lordship as regards Rule 50 for making a special report. Lordship and everything today.
What report I will consider now?
Report to the
Everything has been decided. Now they have to refer to the higher forum if they have any grievances against my judgment. They may have
They may have Malad,
they
that's
may
a
have to
course.
go and take a stay.
Kindly direct Malad today Malad it should be finalized Malad tomorrow
Well,
finalized.
have
Malad,
you?
Malad,
Where is your report? They are saying report is not here. You are saying report is here.
Hyderabad ticket.
The next date of said reference proceeding has been fixed on 14/11. That was already done.
done and today it has been concluded.
So you are seeking for some more time. So how much time you require? Can it be possible within 1 week?
Yes, yes. And Malad, may I just show Malad another
16, 17. Let's go for 10, 17, 24th. Prior to 24th, you file the report. Prior to vacation, he will file the report.
yes. By
that-
Malad today next week Malad it should be finalized by next week Malad. We immediately go and have the stamp duty Malad. Engrossed.
no, I am fixing on 24th.
23rd.
24th is the last day.
22nd or 23rd Malad.
19th I am fixing. 19th
Very good. Perfect.
at 2 p.m.
Monday, Friday.
By that time, you second half.
Yes, Malad 19th. Virtually.
19 you can complete it. Look.
मतलब page 472 मतलब looks at मतलब volume 4. अच्छा. Mine is similar to what they are doing. I'll come back मतलब with content मतलब later.
Page number?
मतलब page 472. 472.
Report.
And
472 of your application?
Yes.
472, yes.
मतलब he is writing to the district registrar, Hyderabad, saying do not register. Then 474. It is some kind of what is happening. Can you look at 474 now? They are writing to the sub-register, registration of stamps and department. We refer to above letter. Please note reliance upon India registration is not inappropriately misplaced. You are aware that identity of the executive assistant to avoid fraud. Do this, you have to obtain documents about expensive required by notification, guidelines, relationship with both state government, central government.
তেলেঙ্গানাতে কি আরো ঝামেলা করবে?
So 472 and 473.
Who is Kaushik Banerjee?
Their director.
You make him party in the contempt.
We have made him a party member. It is contempt number 5.
You have made?
Yes.
Okay. The item number. It is also informed. Yes. Appellate side.
Other matters also coming on the 19th. 1, 2, 3 also.
Yes, 19. 1, 2, 3 for
And
report and 5.
Right.
And then in the meantime, the reference already over.
Yes.
Final order will be passed.
Yes.
As per information given by the registrar. In the meantime, you finalize the deed and.
Yes. The stamp immediately.
Because from your side, if you make delay, then.
No, we don't know. We'll do that. Registration before 19. Wait.
I think there is no scope for interference by the registrar.
No.
Registrar only duty is to finalize the deed.
Yes.
Before registration.
Correct.
If any objection they have beyond the agreement for sale,
yes.
Then their objection can be entertained.
And not saying that the award is not according to award is void or the arbitrator lost his time or the court order is without
The registrar do not have jurisdiction to enter in the judicial matter.
Absolutely.
If they have agreed, they can approach before the higher forum. There is a provision. They may take stay or whatever. That can be done.
Yes.
But registrar has no any.
No.
So far as the original side,
Yes,
rules
absolutely.
is concerned, so far as I know.
No, that's correct.
Okay.
Grateful.
Blood, may I have a lordship's leave? Blood, it's appellate side matter, blood.
Yes.
Blood, 2 writ petitions, blood. The direction was to file a report in the affidavit in the form of report. Or rather, report in the form of affidavit.
The date is fixed.
Blood, that is over.
That is over.
Now, blood, one has filed affidavit, other has not. Now, blood, if your lordship fixes a particular date and under that we mentioned, ultimately they will be seeking for blood time to file affidavit.
Emergency.
Blood, we are not getting blood our salary, blood. We are serving, blood, your lordship No, not in the list.
Why it is not in the list?
Upon notice, but I am mentioning that for
Inclusion.
inclusion and
Give it
if you can fix it another to be mentioned, they can make seek for it.
to be mentioned, it will be taken up.
Okay.
Hearing matter will be taken up. No, call
Item number 1.
judgment. Judgment. Item number 9. Extension after finishing my appellate side matter, I will take up. You go through my list. Today expiring interim order?
Yes, my lord. It has expired.
Already expired. Then there is no within time you have filed the application. I will take up.
Union is here. Union does not have any objection regarding extension. So
Maybe, but I will take up the appellate side. Thereafter, I will take up.
as my lordship.
Otherwise, I have to take several matters. एक तो पंखा चला नहीं. Yes, item number 9. Yes.
Item 9.
Recalling application.
Lord, this is a restoration application, really speaking, Lord. There are two applications, but the first, personally, my ground.
Is not here.
But I'm also told that this restoration application, probably the second application will not be required. The first one is restoration is required.
So I am keeping not today. Next day I will take up this matter. Huh?
That's it. If it's there, I'm told this is there.
My lord, I am for the respondent, my lord. We will file a opposition, my lord.
Absolutely on a personal ground, because I was hospitalized, pacemaker has to be implanted, so I didn't attend the court for 2-3 months. Thereafter I attended, I'm told this not dismissed as nobody appeared. My junior was also ill. Still today he is ill. I don't know what is happening to him. To restoration application.
Please close the অর্ডার ডিক্টেট হচ্ছে, বন্ধ করতে।
My lord, 14 may be taken up first, my lord. There is a two matter are analogous, my lord.
13 and 14.
13 and 14. 14, my lord. If application has been filed for expunge the petitioner number 1, who died on 21st August 2022. That's why application has been taken out, my lord, and his name may be expunged because the sole legal heir of his daughter is on the
Already
record.
on record.
Record, my lord.
You have annexed the death certificate.
My lord.
And what is the matter about?
My lord, that matter relating to, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, applied for purchase a flat in the KMD authority, Koshba, my lord.
Is there any opposition file?
Yes, my lord. Pleadings has been completed.
Pleadings are complete. Both the matters are being taken up together right from motion stage, my lord.
What is the stand of the state?
My lord,
What is the stand of the state?
stand of the state, not the state, the KMDA. It is true, my lord, that initially we intended to sell it on outright basis. But subsequently it could be detected, my lord, for some reason or other, the deed of conveyance could not be executed. That cannot be, the authority alone cannot be blamed. For some issues raised by these petitioners, the deed was not executed. By this time, the state government introduced a policy whereby, Miller, the state government and its parastatals are entitled to execute only lease deed for 99 years with an option for renewal of like period, that is 99. So we being under the administrative control of the state, we are bound by that circular.
That was given retrospective effect.
My lord, that was not specified in that circular.
So
that was not specified.
That should be specified by the act itself.
Yes, not act. It's a circular.
This is
government
circular.
body. It's a circular.
The circular must be specified expressly.
Yes. No, retrospective date was not mentioned there.
So then
another issue was, my lord, that the land on which the housing complex was constructed, that was, my lord, given by the state to the KMDA. The conveyance by which the transfer was made, from the reading, it could be detected at a much later, my lord, that freehold right was not given to the KMDA. So KMDA cannot execute deed of conveyance, that is the sale deed, since it doesn't have the freehold right.
But you have executed number of deeds earlier. How you have
After that detection, my lord,
Yes,
series of deeds has been executed.
That we have explained. That we have explained, my lord, in our.
And my lord, whatever stand they have taken.
I'm not shying away. I'm not denying the fact. My lord, they have relied on some instances where we have executed the deed of conveyance. Yes. My lord, under special circumstances, my lord, in compliance of the honorable court's order, we had to execute.
Give me the notification. Where is the notification?
My lord, I have a list of dates has been prepared, my lord, for the convenience of your lordship. My lord, the plea has been taken by my learned senior friend, my lord.
You have paid all the amount.
Yes,
My lord, all amount has been paid, my lord. Even my lord, possession has been given.
Possession is also given.
It is given, my lord.
You are in possession.
My lord,
You are enjoying.
my lord.
They are enjoying.
My lord,
Only the execution.
on 16/8/2013, my lord, I have given a list of dates, my lord. In second copy, in second page, my lord, last for incorporating that clause has been for incorporating clause number 4 in the possession advice at page 52 by the KMDA authority, a writ petition by WP number 14,359 W of 2013 Shantanu Sengupta and another versus State of West Bengal was moved by challenging the authority of such incorporation. And my lord, that has been turned down. Even my lord, they have filed the appeal in the division bench. Their appeal has been dismissed, and the writ petition, the order of the writ petition was affirmed. Copy to
Where is the copy? Have you?
my lord, I just given my lord. This is the my lord appellate order copy to the ये copy down list of dates.
You are talking about the class 4.
Which is referring to he has not supplied me the list of dates or the
At a list of dates. At a list of dates. Second page.
What is class 4?
That whatever they are taken, my lord, that they cannot outright sell.
Okay.
They may be leased for 99 years. That clause they are intending to, and that has been challenged by the writ petition, my lord, here.
Where is the single bench judgment?
This is the single bench judgment.
Your lordship hear the writ petition finally, then let him place the petition first, not in piecemeal way.
Paragraph 6, annexure of the 26 page. 26 page number 20.
বিনয় করছেন যেটা আপনারা এখন বলছেন
So after division bench, they have not preferred any appeal.
No, my lord.
There are some other cases also. In my report, the report filed, if your lordship,
No, have you gone through this judgment?
yes, I appeared.
So you have appeared The single bench has said, as per
There are,
browser,
there are,
as per
just-
browser, you are directed to register the sale deed.
that was done also.
So you sell deed, you also execute sale deed in favor of him.
But there are cases. In that case,
My lord, 90.
possibly, my lord, that order has been complied.
61.
Complied with.
61.
Possibly, my lord, I will take instruction.
90% have been transferred.
But I have in my report, if your lordship kindly takes up my report.
All for report.
There
No,
are,
I have heard your contention. Now you cannot go back from your own browser. You have already taken money. You have given possession. Now only registration is required. You register the deed,
lordship consider this.
and that clause is not debarred from registry. As per your own contention, that was not given any retrospective effect. So
apart,
prior to that, you have registered many sale deed.
few
90% of the flat has been registered.
Registered.
few
Now
days-
you are obstructing
Out of
him.
361 flats, 90% has been registered. Only we are the unfortunate people that our money has been blocked.
Where is your report?
Yes, that was
ये तो
affirmed.
बात तो हमारे जी
The first
exception.
report was affirmed on 5th December 2022. Two reports, one is supplementary report was filed pursuant to the direction of the Honorable Court.
Supplementary report.
Yes, I'm referring to the original one. That was
Original one.
affirmed on 22.
Yes.
5th December 2022.
আমাদের ইয়েটা reply.
Worship, kindly consider this.
Page number?
Yes.
Yes, page number?
Here I am referring page number 4
4.
plus 0.7. Number
Page
7.
number 4.
Yes.
Paragraph 7.
7 is what
এখানে দেওয়া আছে।
about which, my lord,
Yes.
that 26th December, that policy.
Yes.
Thereafter, if your lordship kindly come to,
Have you annexed this?
yes, yes,
Where is that?
that is at page 11. No, sorry, 10.
10. Yes.
10.
Yes. Which
3 Roman 1.
3 Roman 1. Yes.
First two line, lordship kindly. The land allotted to, the reason for which this circular was published, my lord, that has been explained. And the land 3.1 says that land allotted to any individual, company, institution, etc. under the policy would be transferred to them by the government and its parastatals by way of long-term lease for a period not exceeding 99 years, with the option of renewal of such lease for the like period on the same terms and conditions. What we intended to do so. Because till December 2012, the deed was not executed in their favor. Meanwhile, this policy has come. So we are bound by this policy.
Where is the restriction? That earlier you have
We are the
issued a
parastatals
browser,
of the
you can
state.
follow that browser.
My lord, we are the parastatals of the state.
Anything
bound.
else
We
apart from this?
kindly come to paragraph 9.
Paragraph 9. Yes. Paragraph 9 of pleading.
Pleading. I'll show the decision also. My lord, considering after this policy being introduced by the state and we being under the administrative control of the state, my lord, we are bound by that circular, what to do. And that matter was placed before the board for decision. And a decision was taken, my lord, though not in respect of this particular complex, but similarly situated, my lord, in another housing complex that is situated at
That is regarding the lease.
yes.
That
So-
is regarding the lease. Lease must be 99 years
99 years,
and subject to renewal.
subject to renewal of like period. That is 99 plus 99.
There is nothing said about the sale of the land.
That is why, my lord, we are, my lord, being
No,
prevented
where is the restriction that you cannot sell?
Then, my lord, first two lines, my lord, the allotment.
And my lord, kindly see.
No,
Please
just a minute. My lord, kindly come to the page 10 once again.
Page 10, yes.
Yes, first few lines, my lord, may I read? Where is the state government and its parastatals, corporation development authorities and urban local bodies have been allotting and pricing land and other the other assets in line with various departments and other norms, which often vary in their contents and their applicability. And whereas there is need to introduce uniformity, reduce discretion, and avoid case-by-case decision making to ensure transparency while dealing with public assets. Now the governor, after careful consideration of the matter, is pleased hereby to make the following land allotment policy. It's a policy
So
taken by
that
the
is for
state.
future, not earlier one. To avoid complication in future, this has been.
Yes.
And my lord,
What
that
was the referring to? Let me finish. I have tried. My lord, what was referring to, my lord, paragraph 9, my lord has seen the decision lordship will find. We have taken after that. That starts from page 14.
Yes, 14.
Yes, 1-4.
Yes.
Lordship will find the relevant portion at page 15, 4.7, if your lordship.
4.7, yes.
This refers to, the averment refers to this.
Yes, please read it.
Yes, after threadbare discussion, the committee opined that the KMDA cannot offer a better title than what it possesses. Herein, as per brochure, KMDA has pleased to dispose of LIG, MIG categories of flats at Barakpur housing by sale. Here also, this is Purva Avasan, and that was Barakpur. By sale, whereas KMDA has only lease right in its favor. The committee decided to wait for the verdict of the Honorable Court for registration of the deed, so and so. My lord, at that point of time, few cases were.
my lord, this is regarding the Barakpur phase, my lord, but it is in Kosba.
I'm not.
What is the relevance of that circular?
Allow me to.
Here is Kasba. Here is Kasba.
Is my property at Kosba, and it is regarding the Barakpur housing phase.
Wait.
I'm not saying that it is in respect of Purva.
Yes, anything else?
Yes. Then your lordship, kindly come to paragraph 10 of my report.
10
Here,
of your pleading.
I have referred to some cases.
Paragraph 10 of this report.
This report of 2022.
Yes. Yes, paragraph 10.
Yeah, it is worthy of being mentioned here that on this particular issue of execution and registration of deed of conveyance, a few litigations were instituted before this honorable court at the instance of the allottees concerned of different housing complex of KMD. The honorable court, after hearing the parties and also considering the predicament of the KMDA authority, was pleased to permit the KMDA to execute lease deed in favor of those allottees with some modification of the standard lease deed of KMD. In certain cases, in certain cases, and in some cases permitted the KMDA to execute lease deed in its standard format. Several petitions came up before this honorable court with such a prayer, and orders were passed. I have referred to some orders. Lordship, kindly have a look. My lord, I would like to refer, my lord. And what has fallen from your lordship, that also I will show from this. Lordship, kindly state we come to page 24. Here also in a housing complex, my lords, in the brochure, we intended to sell it. But subsequent to coming of this, my lord, circular, and on perusal of our right, on searching of our right, my lord, from the deed of conveyance executed by the state, we found that we have only leasehold right, limited right, not freehold right. So there also.
Where from I will get that you have only leasehold right?
That
Kasbah property.
That I have pleaded in my affidavit.
Where is that? If you have only leasehold property, then how you can sell?
Paragraph
You
6.
cannot sell.
Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6.
Yes.
Of
6 of the report.
Of report. Yes, paragraph 6.
In that context, all these orders were passed. Although it was mentioned, I am reading, my lord, what is written in the paragraph 6. Although it was mentioned in the brochure that the apartments will be conveyed to the allottees on outright sale basis, but later on, it could be detected that the authority itself does not have freehold right, title, and interest in respect of the flats, apartments in question at the housing complex, that is Purva Avasan, that is the in respect of which this petition arises, having been constructed on the land which is under the
What is the base of this your statement? Do you have any document? Only your contention is there.
So
what is the base?
Now, here the document was the deed in question was
not incorporated.
Not incorporated, but it was considered in other cases. I'll be showing.
This is your point.
Yes, this is the two point I have taken.
Because you have no outright sale powers, that's why you cannot register the sale deed.
And
Number one, another
is the government policy.
Only government policy you can only execute for 99 years.
99 years with the
subject to renewal.
Yes. My lord, I wanted to show, my lord, I have not finished. My lord, Roshu, kindly bear.
Not required. This 2 point is sufficient.
My lord, this was considered, my lord, kindly permit me for
Yes.
4 moments. Roshu, kindly page 24, the order. Here, the authority was allowed to execute, was permitted by this honorable court to execute this deed with certain modification from our standard format. And next case, my lord, where Lordship will find at page
in those
29,
cases also there was a browser for sale.
Same stand was there also.
In another area.
The cases I have cited here. Page 24.
In those cases also possession you have handed over. Money was taken.
Brochure, in the brochure there was cited, clear citation that
for selling
would be on outright sale basis. But after that, my lord, this position.
The position is okay.
And page 29, Lordship will find a division bench order. In a case, my lord, that traveled up to the division bench, honorable division bench permitted us to execute lease deed. That is at page 20.
In those cases, petitioner were agreed. But in this case, whether he is agreed, whether you have given any proposal to him.
Yes, that is under challenge.
Proposal.
Yes, we are agreeable to.
Where is the problem if you?
My lord,
agreed, he has come up before this.
My lord, in the brochure, my lord, it has been contended that outright sale will be made, and to that effect, we have deposited.
So you have to file a civil suit for your compensation.
My lord, if my lord, they have taken that point, my lord, that it is assumed that the state the KMD authority has misleaded us.
For
And
that,
fourth-
you may ask for compensation. There
that
is a remedy.
my lord, even after that, my lord,
They have
the authority showing the judgment all are relating to, my lord, Barakpur phase, not in
but
relating
similar
to Kasba.
circumstances.
No, my lord, Kasba related 361 flats there, 90% has been registered, and my lord, the judgment has handed over to your lordship in that matter. That is also relating to Kasba. The single bench has turned down their plea, and my lord directed to register the deed, and the division bench also affirmed the single bench order, and my lord deed has been registered. My
Similar
lord,
Kasba
that
property.
is Kasba related, my lord.
Okay.
Here, Lordship will, from the report, if your Lordship kindly come.
And my lord,
Go through it. I'll go through it.
and my lord,
You will find what has fallen from your Lordship. They can sue us for damages and compensation. That was held by the Honorable Single Bench in a case.
Yes, I will pass the order, no problem.
Page 32 is the order I have annexed.
Hearing concluded
Let him file a civil suit.
for
supplementary exception, my lord, has been filed.
yes, I will consider.
Document
I
has
will
been, my lord,
consider.
filed there.
I will consider.
My lord, in respect of 14, my lord, the expunge petition may be allowed. In respect of section.
The can one.
Both 13 and 14.
9.
But the can one
Can
2020
one, can
can
one,
1 2023 is my restoration application. It was dismissed on 14th of July.
July of which year?
That's the
Which
problem.
year?
my lord. That's the reason probably my junior has filed another application, but that's not the real application, the restoration application 2023.
এই applications গুলো কোথায় আছে?
My lord,
That has to be traced out, Lord.
এই applications কোথায় আছে? Application নেই তো? Can one.
Can 1 of 2023.
my lord, the can one.
No.
You have filed can one?
Yes.
When?
On 31st August 2023.
Give me one copy.
Yes. It's a copy. But may I hand over this only copy that I have?
No, no.
কোথায় আছে? What is that?
So section 5 is there.
No, my lord,
This is-
can one was dismissed in the year 2023, my lord.
Can.
Yes, my lord. Now this,
Can one is also dismissed.
yes, my lord, and this is can two for restoration of the can one, which was dismissed in the year 2023, and this is being filed in the year 2025 for restoration of the
Can 1 was not dismissed. Can 1 never appeared.
My lord, kindly see his paragraph.
That's what I'm being told, my lord. It was originally this read
No, no,
application was
dismiss for default was
read application which is ready for hearing
2023.
2023. It was filed in
23.
23.
Yes.
Filed in 23.
13/6/2023.
23.
It was filed
In
2023.
23.
And what is can 2?
Can 2 is a recalling application. Really, prayer has not been drafted properly. Really speaking, my lord, that can 1 is not being traced out. That's the reason can 1 was not appearing. That's what I'm told.
That is within time.
Yes. Now, my lord, the application is for the restoration application really would have been
What is the
2020.
main application?
But my
What
main
about the main?
main application, not main application, will tell you lots of the fact is very shortly, my lord. Originally, the
Affidavit exchange.
exchange everything ready. Really speaking, my lord, because I was not here. Firstly, I came back to India and I fell ill and I was hospitalized, remained in the hospital. So naturally, nobody really.
What is your case?
My case is this, my lord. The originally some land was allotted to my client in the Haldia dock complex, my lord, to make out certain port areas for the purpose of shipping arrangements so that ship could unload there. But at that point of time, the government took a decision that there should be minimum guarantee. That was not originally in my lease deed. So my client, because that we are a very small company, basically based at Mumbai. So if you can waive up this, which was not in our original tender,
Ready for hearing today?
not ready for today, my lord. I was on the restoration application, thought unless restored, it will not be done. I'm told by my client, telephonically, of course, that there is a talk of settlement between them. I'm not asking for anything, not the land at all, because we have handed over the land even before they have taken any steps. Let the matter be restored. Let the
Sorry, Miller. I appear for Miller the Kolkata Port Trust.
Yes.
Delayed application, I need to file an affidavit.
Delay. There is
no,
no delay.
2023 is not delayed.
I need to file an application. Miller. I want to file an application
For
opposition. That is the instruction.
restoration.
Personal ground, I was hospitalized. I have a pacemaker set up.
No grounds. Kindly sees that. Kindly sees that. What are the grounds?
May I place the paragraph so that my land go it?
Yes, you please.
But kindly come to my application that I have handed over, my copy.
Yes.
I have a draft copy. Paragraph 4 onwards. Paragraph 4. The respondents have engaged in the said matter through their advocate record, Mr. Swainso, who had appeared in the matter all along as the counsel. The said learned counsel had been out of Kolkata to his son's place since the summer vacation and has returned to Kolkata 7 July 2023. Thereafter, the said learned counsel fell ill and has been treated by the doctors and ultimately was admitted to Apollo Hospital, EM Bypass, Kolkata, where he was finally implanted pacemaker and was released from hospital in the end of July 2023. The said learned counsel has not yet recovered fully and is unable to attend the honorable court till date. As and when required, your petitioner could claim leave to refer to the medical treatment given to him and the said Apollo Hospital. Then paragraph 6. Petitioner advocate record Mr. Navajit Mukherjee had not been attending the court firstly due to his own sickness suffering from viral infection from the first week of June 2023. Thereafter, his mother, who is a heart patient, has been admitted to hospital for treatment. As such, he was unable to keep track of the matters as he was looking after his mother. The mother was released from the hospital, was treated in-house and was again been admitted to Bellevue Clinic Nursing Home, Kolkata. If required, you so. Then paragraph 7. Your petitioner came to learn.
Yes, I have seen.
Miller, there are two applications.
Subsequent, I will not press.
No.
I tell you, Lordship. Subsequent, not press.
Pressing will not do. Kindly see, Miller, have the charity to consider. Can 1, kindly see, this is for the correct record, Miller. Can 1 is an application for restoration of recall order of dismissal for dismiss for default 13/6/2023. This was filed, affirmed on. This was affirmed on August 2023. All right. This can 1. This can 1 was again dismissed. Now this is the second application for restoration, can 2. Has it said so?
So it was never noticed that it appeared in the list.
Then how can it be one restoration of restoration?
No, that's the reason I'm not pressing for the second application.
Once it was dismissed, can
original REIT application was dismissed.
is different application for
Can
injunction
one-
and stay.
Can no.
Can
one.
2 is the application for injunction and stay.
No, can one
The
be a kindly
forfeited demand.
to consider this an actual way. Part A, an application for restoration and recalling of an order of dismissal for default dated 13/6/2023.
That was the last
I will not
Yes.
press for that application, my lord.
That
My
this
land friend
will
need not be
discuss and
worried.
record.
Only once
But it-
dismissed.
Yes, one is that's it.
And
Can
this
one.
will he says in 2025, then 14th August 2023, two orders.
No, there is no order. Only
One
last order is there.
One reviewed.
That's all.
Only one order. On
Had I not been ill, probably I would have looked into that.
it was dismissed for default.
But kindly record will
Sir,
be opposed this will
But only
It
one.
is not pressing can 2.
I'm not pressing. Lordship can record it.
No, but kindly see the restoration I oppose and record my submission. Your Lordship.
Yes, I will. The can
I take back my copy and hand over another copy to
yes, yes, sir. The copy of the can 1 is next.
Item number 15.
এটা আলাদা রাখো, অনেক বিশ্বাসটা কোন
Your Lordship, on the earlier occasion, my lord, my learned friend from the opposite side had handed over her affidavit in opposition. My lord, today I may be permitted to file the affidavit in reply.
The reply কি reply পাওয়া গেছে?
No, my lord, it was with me, my lord. It was lying in the bottom of the file. I could not locate on the earlier date only.
Who is the other side?
My lord, Mrs. Chandrai Alam was there in the opposite side, my lord.
So I am fixing another date. You
Yes, my
inform
lord. On the coming week, my lord, let it be fixed.
affidavit all
Item number 16.
Lordship, item number 16 and 17 are both are same matter. Lordship, due to unable to contact with my client, I am praying for kindly fixed the matters after vacations.
no. Why you have not contacted? Where he resides? Out of India?
No.
So why you have not contacted? Where he resides? You have no idea. Why you have not taken proper instruction?
Then Lordship, make not today.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
You have received the exceptions filed by the respondent.
Lordship, I am not briefed. I am instructed my senior for praying.
Okay, not today. Just simply not today. Same, not today. Both. Yes,
Can it be taken up after vacation? But
this one, 18.
18. But
Why? Affidavit exchange?
But this is 18, I'm happy for the.
it's final hearing. Let
Oh, that one.
Sorry.
before
Very unfortunate case.
But I've made out an application.
At least you should have take some proactive role.
that I am doing. In fact,
Exactly.
I'll explain that I am doing. And before filing of the writ petition, after filing of the writ petition.
After something happen, your client will take.
No. Continuously I'm doing. Continuously I'm paying.
No, that's the reason
I'm asking about your settlement.
Oh, settlement.
Father and son.
Yeah.
Son is well established. Entire property belongs to father. It is not deniable. It is admitted fact the property belongs to father.
But I'll be arguing that after vacation.
That will be on merit. But I want at this.
I was expecting a settlement, but possibly father is not the difficulty. The difficulty is that some.
Send this matter to the mediation.
Your Lordship may. Your Lordship may.
Client is 85 years old. That's a different. 85 years old. That would be very difficult.
What is your grievances now at this last?
But father is not the difficulty.
Where is the difficulty?
Because there's somebody behind.
So father will convince her or he.
No. I have my sister. Sister, I have.
Absolutely not. I have personally asked my junior to talk to her sister.
Oh.
Obtain the mobile number, talk to she said,
But I'll be arguing later.
Ultimately, it will not conclude here.
That's right. That's
It
the
will
problem.
go further.
Possibly. This matter possibly. But I have tried my best.
So at least you should also come down.
Because
and he also come down.
Client, I'm asking this old man, advise my junior, so that this man should be present. And he's present. I'm just seen him. Of course, I have personally not seen him.
What is the contention of the son?
My sister is behind. That's the whole difficulty, and his family. He is my client is employee of this institution only. So I have every day I have an interaction with him. In fact, I have involve other people of this institution so that this can be settled. Of his friends.
Very well, Milord. Now that I'm back here in India, so if my land friend kindly comes up to.
So I'm fixing in the month of January. In the meantime,
I offer him a coffee. I offer him my coffee to him.
Yes.
I can also have a coffee together.
Proactive role to settle this dispute. I want some settlement.
But I'm told the son is my junior has told me the son is very adamant, not agreeable to settle it. There's one house
should be at least liberal.
Absolutely liberal.
Towards each other.
What the
Because
traveler
father
has,
and
what
son
the traveler has
relation is involved ultimately.
Absolutely correct. The father, when he came to me for the first time along with my junior,
he pays for filing an affidavit in reply. Yes. Till now, no copy has been served upon.
Reply. Just now you have handed over. Your case, you are handovering the copy today. How you will prepare himself? Affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner to the
or an authority, agency, or state government intends to set up an industrial estate industrial park within the jurisdiction of the Gram Panchayat, permission for erection of any structure or building or any addition to the structure of building or setting up an industry within such industrial state. Industrial park provided further that such erection of new structure of a new building of such addition or building or such permission from the Gram Panchayat shall be subject to the such rules as may be provided by the government. Provided also the Gram Panchayat shall not accord permission for erection of new structure or construction of new building if the proposal of such erection and construction, as the case may be, has any provision for erection or construction any latitude. Every person seeking permission under section 1 shall make an application in writing to the Gram Panchayat malad and particular provided that no amount of whatsoever no
Nothing in your
No
favor.
person shall erect. It is the first line is enough, my lord. No person shall erect.
kindly come to 3 malad. On receipt of kindly come to 23 malad. On receipt of such application, the Gram Panchayat, after making such inquiry and examination of the building plan, as it considered necessary or in accordance with such rules as may be made. Malad, that inquiry is not done by the board.
No, where is your submission of plan
kindly
for
consider
sanction? Where is the plan sanction?
After order,
my lord,
applied for plan.
what happened, my lord? It's a co-sharer, my lord. We are the relatives, my lord. We have
Whatever may be, you are owner, you cannot construct without approval
only,
of the
only a my lord,
Gram Panchayat.
only a room, my lord. I have made my lord.
Whatever may be the
My lord,
room or whatever.
my lord, kindly come to my lord, my lord, apartment, my lord. Kindly come to my.
No, please show me where is the plan.
My lord,
You have given
I have applied for
full
what happened, my
opportunity
lord.
of
My lord,
hearing where is the violation of natural justice. Where is the violation of natural justice? And what is the perversity?
my lord, kindly come to page 5, paragraph 6.
Please submit what is written there.
My lord, may I read? That your petitioner, my lord, petitioner states that he made a plan drawn by Orphan Ghosh, civil engineer, and submitted before the authority. It
When?
was verbally assured.
When?
My lord, before that, my lord, before making this construction, my lord.
Where is that? Where is that plan?
Page 3, my lord.
Page 3.
My lord, page 16.
Page 16.
My lord, it's a LBS plan, my lord. LDS made this plan, proposed plan, my lord.
Where you have made an application
16.
for plan?
Page 16, my lord, proposed plan, my lord.
My lord, I have, my lord, may I state, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, what happened, my lord? The person to whom I have given that, my lord, to the, my lord, Panchayat, my lord, my lord, the member, my lord, the
not made an application.
my lord, he died, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, he assured me verbally that he will do this. My lord, I have done that.
Now
So, my lord,
you expired everything gone.
my lord, that is kindly see, my lord. My
No,
lord, kindly,
last.
my lord, kindly come to my
If you lordship kind enough to add one line.
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, respondent authority is directed to old matter. Old matter.
Time for the rest.
Item number 20.
20. Okay, 20. Which other side?
Number 20.
Panchayat authority, lords.
Affidavit exchange?
Yes.
What is the matter about?
May I submit one thing? Filed by the respondent number 2. My reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by my learned friend, I already served upon him. Matter about is lordship, I already may I submit? Page, I submitted a plan, building plan. That was not considered with. Stop work notice has been issued pursuant to the complaint lodged by the private respondent. Challenging the stop work notice, I filed a writ petition before this honorable court. Page 26 is my writ petition, order of writ petition. Page 26. This honorable court directed the Panchayat authority to dispose of the case. Application for sanctioning plan has to be disposed of by taking into account the deeming provision. Kindly, page 26 is the
Operative portion.
operative page 28.
No, earlier you have filed a writ petition.
Yeah, page 26.
26.
Yes. Page 26.
Well, a private respondent filed a writ petition alleging that
petitioner
is constructing unauthorized. In that writ petition, certain directions were passed that I, being an Panchayat authority, will inspect the spot, will make an inquiry. Then I have issued a stop construction notice. Challenging that stop construction notice, he filed another writ petition. That writ petition, the Honorable Justice Sankar said that as I passed earlier in the writ petition certain direction, you followed the same, but however, I should not interfere with the right title interest of the parties. So far as the civil, I inspected.
The deeming provision has to be considered.
Then before that, he made an application. Nothing was commented.
After construction, he made an application. Before.
But it is my fault, my lord, I didn't communicate to anything. Then, my lord, according to deeming sanction, he is claiming that benefit. Now, subsequently, after inspection, my lord, I found certain anomaly.
Some deviations.
Not directly deviations, discrepancies are there, I would say. My lord, is there like boundary wall, whatever he is showing in the my lord, plan, he is not constructing like. I informed him in the report. Then subsequently, as the Honorable Justice Sankar directed me to take a decision, I take a decision that there are certain defects. Then accordingly, he submitted a revised plan. I took a decision. His main grievances is that I didn't take, because in the writ petition, my lord, what he filed, the Honorable Justice Sankar said that I have to taken in account on the fact that he applied for deemed sanction. His grievances is that I didn't consider his revised plan as well as did not take in account the
Deeming provision.
Deeming provision passed a unreasonable. That is his case. He fought for quashing of both the decision taken by him.
So no,
as I understood.
Direction of the single bench, coordinate bench, they have taken a decision.
They have taken a decision.
Your plan is deemed plan.
My plan is deemed plan.
Deemed plan. So
So that
if deemed plan, if they have taken decision, some anomalies are there.
yes, my lord. If they I
Revised
submit
plan.
revised plan,
Have considered.
We have considered,
but without giving me of
taken into account the deeming. That is true in the order. This reflects. It's only, my lord, our stand is that as we passed an order, we will not look into any further documents or something.
Right. If there is inspection you have made, what is the inspection?
Pray one thing, my lord. We conducted an inspection. We found certain anomaly. We intimated to him. And
Who is the private respondent?
Respondent, my lord, I am not know who is that. Or my lord can do one thing. If I'm allowed to pray, my lord can remand it back for taking into account everything. Will serve a notice to both.
Where is that you are taking decisions?
My lord, page
My lord,
number 47.
47 is the modified building with regard to the building.
47 is the modified your plan.
Yes.
The
Where is the plan?
Plan is lordship page 44. Modified building plan, page 44.
Challenge both the things. That inspection, my lord, report which will appear, my lord. No, not
You have not annexed with the revised plan, revise your representation.
My lord, main plan as at page 19 and
Where
revised
is the revised plan?
page 44.
44.
Yes.
You have not annexed with your
Yes, lordship.
prayer.
This is the
With prayer.
Prayer.
47.
Page 47.
You
Page-
have made representation.
Page 47 is the order. Page 47 is the order. Order pass.
Is the decision taken?
Decision taken by the Panchayat authority.
Not for quashing of that decision, as well as, my lord,
Please read, please Bengali read last paragraph.
Last paragraph. Last paragraph.
সর্বোপরি মহামান্য কলিকাতা হাইকোর্টে আপনার নতুন গৃহ
No,
নির্মাণ
no, you paragraph 48. You
48,
read
last paragraph.
4. Serial number 4.
Paragraph 4.
পয়েন্ট নাম্বার 4
আচ্ছা আমি
it says that আপনার পত্রের চতুর্থ অনুচ্ছেদে modified building plan which he is referring to এর জমা দেওয়ার বিষয়ে জানানো যায় যে যদিও রুল 27(3) of the West Bengal পঞ্চায়েত গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ এর মোতাবেক modified building plan এর নির্দিষ্ট সময়ের মধ্যে দেওয়া যায়, কিন্তু এই ক্ষেত্রে যেহেতু গত 23/9/21 তারিখে পঞ্চায়েত কর্তৃপক্ষ দ্বারা আবেদন which is he is referring the my lord earlier plan. প্ল্যান ও কাগজপত্রের বিষয়ে আপনাকে যথাযথ লিখিতভাবে জানানো হয় এবং ত্রুটিপূর্ণ প্ল্যানের ও কাগজপত্র সংশোধনের আবেদন করেও দীর্ঘদিন সংশোধিত হয় নাই, তারপর মহামান্য কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের অপর পক্ষের দ্বারা দ্যাট মিনস দ্য রিপিটিশন প্রেফার্ড বাই দ্য প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট কেস ফাইল হয় এবং মহামান্য কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের বিষয়টি পঞ্চায়েত কর্তৃপক্ষে দেখে শুনানি করতে রিভিউ অর্ডার পাস করতে বলেন, যাহা 25/7/22 দ্যাট ইজ দ্য মাই লর্ড দ্য প্রেজেন্ট তারিখে করা হয়। কিন্তু আপনি প্রথমত গত এত তারিখে জমা দেওয়া আবেদনপত্র ও বাড়ির প্ল্যানের মহামান্য কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের কেসের জমা দেন এবং যাহা দেখে পরবর্তীকালে মহামান্য কলকাতা হাইকোর্ট গত এত এবং এত তারিখে আদেশ দিয়েছেন এবং তারপরে মহামান্য কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের আদেশ বলে গত এত তারিখে রিভিউ অর্ডার পূর্ববর্তী অবস্থাতেও উক্ত সংশোধনী প্ল্যান জমা পড়ে নাই, সেক্ষেত্রে এখনই উক্ত সংশোধন প্ল্যানকে অ্যাপ্রুভ দেওয়ার বিষয়টি বাধাপ্রাপ্ত। According to them, that as we took a decision, we can't look into any document.
Already you have taken decision. Thereafter, yes.
But in the report, there are certain directions that we have to take a decision.
Next.
And then, my lord, it says the reason, my lord, why it was not there. সেই সঙ্গে জানানো যায় আপনি গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোরে পাকা বাড়ি নির্মাণের জন্য গত 1 তারিখে আবেদনপত্র, বাড়ি প্ল্যান ও অন্যান্য কাগজপত্র জমা দিয়েছিলেন, যাহা পারমিশন দেওয়া যাবে না বলা হয়েছিল, তাহা না মেনে জোরপূর্বক পঞ্চায়েতের বিনা অনুমতিতেই বাড়ি নির্মাণ করতে পারে। Subject to correction, he submitted a application for giving him permission. I would not deny because this is not matter of record. Because in the first paragraph,
He was not properly filed his application.
that is the subsequent one. Over there, my lord, he applied for plan, we didn't communicate it, then he is sought for deemed provision. Subsequently, spot inspection was carried out pursuant to the High Court's direction, and the spot inspection found that there are certain, my lord, what should I say, not
defects,
my lord, if I go by correcting defect. Then we intimated him that defects are these. Then he filed a modified plan. But pursuant to that inspection report, we already took a decision. But his case is that he, within period of 30 days, he filed a modified plan. So our stand,
that modified plan you have not considered.
because our stand is that once we pass the reason order, we will not go your modified.
So that was the direction of the court.
No,
That was not the direction.
my lord, kindly see the
Once your prayer was rejected, then how?
Yes, my lord, pay rule 20.
How they can
rule
allow
28.
your modified plan? তারপরে you read
Yes,
it
my lord,
finally.
there is
Complete this.
My lord, পরবর্তীকালে নির্মাণের বাড়ির প্ল্যান ও অন্যান্য কাগজপত্র জমা দিয়েছে।
কত রে ভাই সেকশনটা
বলা হয়েছিল তাহার নামে পঞ্চায়েতের বিনা অনুমতিতে বাড়ি নির্মাণ করতে থাকে এবং কোনো সংশোধিত প্ল্যান না ছিল বেআইনিভাবে গত 1 তারিখে পুনরায়
My lord.
আবেদনপত্র
Yes, yes.
প্ল্যানের বাংলা আছে পড়তে ও কাগজপত্র সমেত ফার্স্ট ফ্লোরের গৃহ নির্মাণের জন্য আবেদন করেন যাহা প্রথাগতভাবে
27(3).
এখন আপনার মডিফাইড বিল্ডিং প্ল্যানে দেখা যায় আলাদা আলাদা জমা দেওয়া গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোর ও ফার্স্ট ফ্লোরের আবেদনপত্রে তোয়াক্কা না করে একসাথে গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোর ও ফার্স্ট ফ্লোরের বিল্ডিং প্ল্যান করেছে। Authorities' defense is that initially he said that ground floor, then first floor.
First floor, after construction, he is modifying one by one.
So he is submitting both the plan at a time.
No, next.
ক্ষেত্রে এই মুহূর্তে প্ল্যান স্যাংশনের বিষয়টি বাধাপ্রাপ্ত হচ্ছে এবং জমির প্রয়োজনীয় সংশ্লিষ্ট কাগজপত্র না থাকার কারণে এই মুহূর্তে প্ল্যান স্যাংশনের বিষয়টি বাধাপ্রাপ্ত। Subject to correction, that part perhaps municipal panchayat will not do because my lord kindly take page 26. The restriction I by
By the private respondent.
No, that's the petition. Abdul Jabbar Khan, page 26. Private respondents read, my lord will find out page 21.
What was the direction in his writ petition?
That will come, that your lordship will find out page 28.
28 and 9.
That as it may, my lord has got it.
Yes, yes.
That as it may, as this court had already directed the panchayat authority to take steps as per the procedure discussed herein below on the complaint of the respondent number 4 and 5. My lord, that is the earlier writ which will appear page 21. This court is of the opinion that panchayat authority must comply with the order taken January
14.
2022 as per the procedure, and while doing so, the contention of the petitioners about the construction being done on the basis of provision of sanction shall also be taken into consideration. His case is that at the time of passing reason order, we didn't take into account that. The next date of inspection, then my lord, the honorable justice needs to fix the date for inspection.
Last date.
Then subsequently, my lord, the identity of the plot as raised by the petitioner and be resolved by the parties, and also the panchayat authorities on the basis of Moja map and documents which are in their possession. The entire exercise shall be completed within a period of 4 months from the date of communication of this order. The order of this court will be sufficient. Well, last paragraph is very relevant. The question of title of the ownership and allegation of enforcement, etc., shall not be taken by the order. This case is that I sought for property document.
So he had a plan. He had a plan. He had applied for that should be deemed as a plan, sanction plan.
According to the claim benefit.
So now he cannot apply for modification.
That my lord, we said that there are
He cannot.
My lord, I can. Order rules 27, sub rule 3.
Panchayat.
Yes. Administrative rule 2. Administrative rule. Kindly see.
After deemed.
Yes.
After, my lord, kindly see. 27 sub rule 3. When a Gram Panchayat refuse permission under sub rule 1, applicant shall be given an opportunity being heard. That was not given to me. That ground of refusal shall be recorded in writing, communicated to the applicant. 3 is the important. Applicant may be allowed to submit modified proposal removing the ground for refusal in such application form.
So you have already supplied modified.
That was subset.
That should be considered.
That should be
after inspection.
Inspection is already done. I removed the.
No, after modify they have.
Lordship, get.
That is why, my lord, if your lordship allow me, I will pray that we will do a fresh inspection. We'll pass a reason order after giving notice both the.
My lord, inspection should be made on the basis of the modified building plan.
Yes, definitely. Otherwise, how they will allow?
Yes.
Without, if there is some unauthorized construction or deviation, that must be.
Now construction is stopped
by the panchayat.
Direction right now construction.
Stop.
In their read, my lord. Honorable justice, my lord. Of them for making. obtained. I oppose the
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ওইটা লিখে দিন তাহলে লার্নেড without order is to cost. Without order is to cost. Old.
Old matter.
Old matter, yes.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক
Yes, Tapas Kumar Roy is appearing.
Yes, my lord, this is practically covered by the special bench judgment. Your lordships kindly see that my appointment was made much prior to the School Service Commission Act came into force. I was a honors candidate. Thereafter, I improved my qualifications by the by the permission of the school authority, and I improved my qualification relevant subject and group also. Now the prayer was made for allowing postgraduate scale of pay, but same was rejected by the Commission of School Education, page 35. In reference to the understanding,
When you have made the representation last day,
not it is not question of representation. This is a rejection already made.
where is that?
Page 35.
35.
একটাই তো একজনই তো।
Without permission, you have,
Yes, well, that is exactly that has been held. No permission is required.
and when you have seek permission, you have already passed the exam.
Right. Yes, right.
That is the,
And-
that
and
is the
my lord,
ground for rejection.
Yes, this is the
Or
counter.
a higher pay scale.
Yes. Now, my lord, the permission concept, the Control Expenditure Act, my lord, 2007, there was a bar, and that act, only the notification was there where says that without permission, no improvement can be done. That is in 2007, although it has got no applications. But after considering that particular circular or government order, the special bench has held as follows. If your lordships kindly.
When you have passed your examination, when?
2002, my lord.
2002.
2002.
Prior to joining or after joining?
After
joining.
When
After
you have joined?
I have my approval was page 19, 1991. 1991.
1991, you have joined.
Yes. And I improved my qualification in 2002. Right?
Page 23.
And my lord, apply for permission, page 32.
That is after passing.
After passing.
That is after
Passing.
passing. It was the ground for rejection. Now, what is the division bench order?
By any teacher
Lord, the special bench order is if
would be decided on the
joined as a honors candidate, and as per the notification,
Prior to
permission not
joining,
required.
prior to joining, if he passed higher qualification, then he is entitled. That is the special bench. After joining,
if we, with the permission of the school authority, I improve my qualification, that is sufficient. Page 27, your lordships kindly. 26.
you have not taken any permission. So
Yes.
how you have passed the examination?
Page 26 is the resolution. If your lordships kindly have a look.
26.
Page 26.
26 of your repetition.
Repetition.
This is the resolution of the
Yes, extract of the resolution 2001.
Your Lordship got it?
Agenda 5D.
Yes. No, 5B cannot have it. No, 5B. Yes, 5D. বিদ্যা মন্দির সহশিক্ষক সুষমা মণ্ডল মহাশয় আর উচ্চতর শিক্ষা গ্রহণের জন্য বিদ্যা মন্দির মারফত কলকাতা জেলা শিক্ষা পরিদর্শকের অনুমতি চাইয়া যে পত্র দিয়েছেন তা সবাই গৃহীত অনুমোদিত হয় তা জেলা পরিদর্শকের কাছে প্রেরণের সর্বসম্মতি গৃহীত হয় অনুমোদিত হয় and গৃহীত হয় Your Lordship kindly consider যে পত্র দিয়েছেন সবাই গৃহীত
2001.
Yes, 2001. 2001. Now I improve my qualification.
My lord, then kindly see the page 32.
1 minute, let him complete. So this is the resolution of the school.
Yes, yes.
Not approved by the DI.
My lord, the approval of the DI is not required in view of the special bench judgment because the approval part, the permission part, my lord, was mentioned in 2007 notification. That 2007 notification is held not a it is not a order actually. The governor it has no statutory force. So it should not be taken into considerations. So my lord, the permission on the ground of the prior permissions, it should not have been rejected.
Where is that?
Yes, my lord, your lordship kindly act on contact.
179 and 85 আমাদের জন্য sufficient.
179?
Yeah, 179 and 180.
না না ওটার ওই একটা জায়গায় বললো না
Hence cannot have an statutory force.
has not been published. 179 and 180. Your lordship, I have got the one copy in the voluminous book. It is just okay then.
Paragraph 179.
Para 179 and 180.
One judgment you have last occasion you have one copy you have said. FMA 2900
Yes, control expenditure had got no.
In that judgment.
Yes. Control Expenditure Act has got no retrospective effect. That has been said by the.
Which paragraph?
It is one special bench judgment 179 and 180. Your lordship kindly go through. তোমাদের অর্ডারটা আছে তোমার কাছেও নাই সমস্যা
What was the government order in 26 December 2005?
27 December to Control Expenditure Act.
What was the order?
Control Expenditure Act, my lord, came into force on 27 December 2005. Actually, boyta. Today I am handicapped, my lord. The book is not with me.
I have to. You show me there is no requirement of any approval.
Yes, my lord. Entire judgment, my lord, I have to.
There is the operative portion that for improving educational qualification, there is no need of any prior approval.
Para 180, if your lordship kindly have a look.
180.
180. সব জাজমেন্ট গুলো আনতে হবে
No, this is different thing.
Your lordship kindly.
If you have a higher qualification prior to 27th November 2007.
Yes, I have the higher qualification prior 27 November 2007 because I got my degree in 2002.
The right to play higher skill by with honors graduate degree.
Your lordship kindly have a look. The right to claim higher skill of pay any teacher with honors graduate career at the time of entry prior to 27 November 2007. My appointment is 1991 and my improvement is 2002. Honors category time of entry 2007 would be decided on the basis of the guidelines and circulars existing on the date of his appointment.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Yes, my lord. Your lordships can dispose of the matter and send it to DI to consider in terms of this
again
judgment. And
again, it will take.
Yes, Mala, this is the 2006 matter. We are getting chance in 2025. Well, why the consideration?
Go through the judgment.
Yes, my lord.
If you want
And
to go through the judgment
proponent.
and come with instruction,
And what a
I will dispose of.
Yes.
By consideration again, you will go again, you will decide.
And 2006 matter.
You go through the judgment and next day you
Yes. Yes.
clarify.
Judgment কি আরে এটা নয় এটা হাজির পাঠ করলেন এখনই
I am for the petitioner. Last occasion, your lordship allow my two application or substitution matter that was allowed. That order already communicated matter also.
Yes, where is the affidavit of service?
No, the advocate, advocate, the state advocate, I served my lord. Your lordship's order, my lord, they have received it by hand, my lord, but they have not appeared. Very innocuous prayer, my lord, 38,000 something, my lord. He have deducted from my PPO, my lord, pensionary benefit, my lord. That will be that cannot be do, my lord, but per the Pennsylvania judgment, my lord.
What is can 1 and can 2?
Your lordship already allowed, my lord.
That
Both
is
are
allowed.
yes, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship allowed, my lord.
ওটা এখান থেকে ডিলিট হলো না কেন? ডিলিট হয়েছে
দিচ্ছি
ডিসপোজাল আছে। What is the matter?
Matter is that, my lord, petitioner is the assistant teacher of the high school, my lord. He retired from the service. PPO is issued, my lord, but my lord 38,000, my lord, kindly come to my lord page, my lord. Kindly come to my lord page, my lord, page 9, my lord, paragraph page, my lord, page, my lord, 8, my lord, page 8, my lord. Sorry, my lord, page 6, my lord, page 6, my lord, paragraph 5. Malad, they have deducted 38,055 rupees, my lord, from their PPO, my lord. Because as a overdrawn amount, but that cannot be do that, my lord. As per special bench judgment, I am bringing the judgment, my lord, as per Supreme Court judgment, my lord.
Overdrawn.
Yes, my lord.
Overdrawn.
Yes, overdrawn, my lord. Only that part, my lord.
You have retired on
2008, my lord.
2008.
Yes.
And they have deducted after retirement.
Yes, my lord.
When?
31st, I go to the kindly come to page 3, my lord. PPO issued, my lord, on 26 September 2028, my lord. I have annexed the PPO also, my lord. 31st August 2008, my lord, I retired from the service, my lord, and my PPO issued on 26 September 2008. Yes, my lord. 7A deducted column in the table PPO, my lord. They have deducted 38,000.
What ground they have decided?
They have not stated anything.
Pay.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that judgment?
Yes, ma'am. it একটু দেবেন। Last paragraph, my lord. My last.
Which paragraph? Paragraph?
The from initial service rule relief highest pay scale erroneously given to the petitioner since 1973. Pay scale of the petitioner reduced on 1984. He since the petitioner service a higher scale of due to non-fault of the earth. It shall only just and proper not to recover any excess amount already paid to
Where
them.
from you are reading? Which paragraph?
From stop, my lord.
Head notes.
Yes, my lord. Head notes and all paragraph, my lord, they have stated, my lord. Last 10, my lord. In the facts and present case, there is no scope of applying for the principle.
That is the equal pay for equal work.
No, my lord. Excess that was not considered, my lord. Regarding, my lord, excess pay which was deducted, that cannot be do that. That cannot be do that.
I think some other judgments are there. Some other reference are there, no?
2015 volume 4 SCC page
2004?
2015 volume 4 SCC page 343. This is the roughing mercy. This is the judgment roughing mercy. After retirement or less than 1 year, no recovery is possible.
Yes.
2015 page 14.
Affidavit of service file. আমি করে দিয়ে দেবো, পেন ড্রাইভে দেবে। Yes, 41. Not today.
দেখো দেখো Malad, and for the petition, read petitioner Malad here CSC Limited.
Who is the other side?
But I don't find anyone Malad right now. Oh, this was served, moved, and this.
Long back. You have served long back.
Malad, this automatically comes up. We need not serve again.
Now you have to serve.
Malad, this is not required under the law. Because once I have served, petition has been admitted. After admission, Malad, there is no notice required in the review.
Let them come. If they will not come, I will decide. One opportunity is required to be.
Malad, then I have to serve the private respondent only, who is the consumer. Otherwise, the authority need not say anything at all.
Yes.
Because I'm like a tribunal, I'm questioning the order of tribunal. So I'm kindly direct us to serve upon the private respondent. Respondent number 2 only.
It will be on 7th, my lord. Similar question of item number 39. The similar question, my lord, is involved in this.
17th.
7th January.
On the prayer of learned council appearing on behalf of next
44. 44 Lord, I beg to appear for the petition.
44.
Lordship, a report was submitted only yesterday. We'll use one exception.
You want to file exception?
Exception, Lordship.
Why not is in favor? In your favor?
95% is in favor.
The main thing is not in
this matter on next day?
Yes.
Acha, is 1 minute. Is there any urgent matter of criminal revision applications? Interim order which is going to expire today? No. Yes, call. 45. 45. Yeah, dismiss for default. One appears.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lord. My lord, there is an application, my lord, under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, my lord, for condonation of delay in preferring the restoration application. My lord, the affidavit in opposition has been filed by the state.
Reply, where is reply?
My lord, my reply I have filed, my lord.
Wherefore?
I am for the petitioner, my lord. The respondent, my lord, has filed their opposition.
Who is appearing for the
Mr.
respondent?
Devasis Basu is appearing on behalf of the Union of India.
So,
Not come to the court today.
No, my lord, it's a restoration application, condonation of delay that I'm seeking for, my lord.
maybe, but in presence of other side, I will decide. Section 5. Ask your senior to be even present on that day.
Grateful, my lord.
47.
47. In this, just one. In this matter, there was direction of another coordinate bench to file on the returnable date affidavit in reply. Affidavit in reply has already been exchanged. The filing is required and a date be fixed, my lord.
I am for respondent number 7, my lord.
I am for the petitioner.
My appointment has been challenged, my lord.
Appointment has been changed.
Yeah.
That was given long ago.
When?
2008. There are multiple litigations.
On what ground?
But that is the impugn order. Impugn order is challenged now.
Well, actually, the date on which the last date of submission of
The
application.
next day I will
Oh,
hear.
okay.
Let it be after vacation.
Yes.
Affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply. Well, before vacation, any day.
After vacation, my lord.
Before vacation, 2011 matter, my lord.
In reply.
14 January.
Obliged, my lord.